Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So today market opens gap up and you can clearly see here that today market tried to trade above that resistance level and also it trades above that resistance level. But in one day candle chart you can clearly see here that it made kind of shooting star candle here. So if tomorrow market once again trades below 42,600, then you can consider it for buying and target will be around round level 42,500. Next target will be 42,300 to 330. If market opens flat or opens a gap up and if it trades above 42,800 or 780 and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. Target will be around round level 42,000 to 42,100. So in one day candle chart, it kind of looks sideways to me. If it opens a gap up and opens flat and shows positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. But if it trades below 42,600 or 570, then you can consider it for selling. Now let's look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly see that today market shows volatility movement here. Market opens gap up and it immediately took resistance around that higher side, and when it goes down it continuously took support from that 42,600 level. So as I said in one day candle chart, if it trades below that 42,600 level, then you can consider it for selling because today it took support around that zone, and at the end you can clearly see that market took support around that and right now trades around 42,650. So if it opens flat and opens gap down and trades below 42,600 or 570, then you can consider it for selling. As I said, our target will be 42,500. Next target will be 42,330 to round level 43,300. But let's assume that if it opens gap up and if it try to trade above 42,750, then after that you can consider it for buying, and our immediate target will be 42,850. And you can clearly see that today it continuously halted around that higher side. So if it breaks that higher side, which is 42,850, then you can consider it for larger trend. Target will be around 42,950 to round level 43,000. So that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in one day candle chart. In Nifty, you can clearly see that it made doji candle here. So if tomorrow market trades above that 7,800 and shows positive movement, then you can consider it for buying, and target will be around 7,850 to round level 7,900. But if it trades below that doji candle or if it trades below 17,700 or 680 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling, and target will be around 7,600 to 17,560. And once again, if it trades below that 7,600, because previously we have seen large support around that zone, so if it trades below that, then it may be show some strong negative movement here, and we can set our target to round level 7,450. Now let's look into 15-minute candle for taking any kind of buying or selling trade. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly see that today market opens gap up and it trades in that range, and right now it trades around that 7,700 level. And you can clearly see here that today market did not closes below that lower price, so it kind of looks positive to me. If it opens gap up or as I said in one day candle that if it trades above 7,780 or round level 7,800, then you can consider it for buying. Target will be around 7,850 to round level 7,900. But let's assume that if it opens gap down or if it trades below 7,750 or 40 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Target will be around 7,700 first. Next target will be round level 7,660. So that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty options, then you need to look into Bank Nifty components. In Bank Nifty components, our first component will be HDFC Bank, and second component will be ICICI Bank, SBI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, and Innocent Bank. In HDFC Bank, you can clearly see that today market opens flat and shows continuous negative movement here, and that is the reason why Bank Nifty falls today. And right now it trades around 1,660, which previously acted as a major support level. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market opens flat or if it trades below 1,660 or 1,657 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Target will be around 1,650 to round level 1,640. Now let's look into ICICI Bank. In ICICI Bank, you can clearly see that it shows kind of strong positive movement here, and it tried to trade above that 916 level, which previously acted as a major resistance level. So my suggestion would be, we have seen resistance around that higher side, so let it trade above that or let it trade above 920, then after that you can consider it for buying. But tomorrow if it opens gap up and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Target will be around 910 to around level 900. Now let's look into SBI Bank. In SBI Bank, it also shows positive movement here, and it tried to trade above that 560 level, and it also sustains around that. But you can clearly see that previously we have around resistance around that 565 level, so it needs to trade above that for taking any kind of buying trade. And from the last 2 days, it also shows strong positive movement here. So my suggestion would be, if it halted there for 1 or 2 days and after that if it shows strong positive movement on expiry day, then you can consider it for buying. But if it opens gap up around the 570 or 568 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Target will be around 562, round level 555. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, you can clearly see that it continuously trades in that range, which is 1900 to 1880. So my suggestion would be either let it trades above that or let it trades below that for taking any kind of buying or selling trade. If tomorrow market holds trade around that higher side and breaks that, then you can consider it for buying. And if it trades below that 1885 or 1880 and shows a negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Now let's look into Axis Bank. In Axis Bank, you can clearly see that today market opens a gap up, and if it tries to trade above that 890 level, but it could not sustain there. So my suggestion would be right now it kind of made negative pattern here. So if tomorrow market once again try to trade below 876 or 875, then you can consider it for selling. Target will be around 872, round level 865. Now let's look into our last bank, which is IndusInd Bank. And in IndusInd Bank, you can clearly see that it made kind of doji candle here. So it needs to trade above that 1140 for taking any kind of buying trade, or if it trades below 1110, then you can consider it for selling. So my suggestion would be if tomorrow market trades below 1110, then you can consider it for selling. Target will be around round level 1100. Next target will be 1092. So that's all about today, guys. If you have any kind of doubt, then let me know in the comment box. And if you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel.